Hey guys, it's Joe and today we're making chicken dumplings because it's Chinese New Year. Now let's prepare the filling. Add your shredded chicken, your cabbage, half cup of green onions, 1 teaspoon of the ginger, a tablespoon of your soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, garlic, salt and pepper. So all you're going to do is mix this thoroughly until all the ingredients are combined. Place your mixture in the middle. Do not overfill. Moisten the wrapper. We fold. Okay, there you have it, diba? Kung kaya ko siyang gawin, kaya mo rin siya gawin. Don't forget to book your healthy meal prep webinar with us.